Friends, myself Jagadish Kar, lecturer in zoology, KBDAV College, Nirakarpur. Today I am going to discuss about Klinefelter's syndrome or XXY syndrome. Here are the pictures of Klinefelter syndrome patients. You can see the construction of the body in these patients. We will discuss the details of their syndrome, their symptoms and signs in the discussion. Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic disorder in which a boy is born with an extra X chromosome. Instead of normal XY chromosome, the male has XXY, so called as XXY syndrome. It affects males and is not diagnosed until adulthood. The karyotype is 47, having 44 plus XXY chromosomal makeup. It occurs 1 to 2 per 1000 males. Harry Klinefelter first described this syndrome in 1942. You can see the karyotype of the Klinefelter patient, in which XXY male chromosome set is present. You can find here an extra set of X chromosome is present. Let us discuss the causes. Klinefelter syndrome results due to non-disjunction of sex chromosome during gamete formation. It results due to fusion of ovum with genotype 22 plus XX and sperms with genotype 22 plus Y, or ovum with genotype 22 plus X and sperms with genotype 22 plus XY produce a genotype of 44 plus XXY in male. Presence of extra copies of gene on X chromosome interfere with male sexual development and fertility. The affected individuals have small testes that do not produce sex hormone testosterone as usual. Older mothers have higher risk of a child with Klinefelter syndrome. Here you can find the result of non-disjunction. You find parental non-disjunction at meiosis 1. Here is the non-disjunction while the formation of secondary spermatocyte. Then when sperms are produced, each sperm contain XY chromosomes instead of X and Y chromosome. That means producing two types of gametes. When these sperms carrying XY chromosomes unite with a normal ovum, the XXY condition result. Here this is the maternal non-disjunction at meiosis 1. Here the female gametes is produced with XX chromosome when it unites with the normal male gamete having Y chromosome, XXY condition result. In this case maternal non-disjunction at meiosis 2, that means here non-disjunction result as a result of ovum with 2X chromosome is produced. When it is united with the sperm with Y chromosome, the Klinefelter syndrome condition, that is XXY condition, results. Let us discuss the types. Men with Klinefelter syndrome may have an extra chromosome in every cell, which is most common, or an extra chromosome in only same cells called mosaic Klinefelter syndrome, and it produces few symptoms, or more than one extra chromosome, which is very rare and more severe. Let us discuss the signs and symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome. The signs and symptoms vary person to person. In case of babies, the symptoms include weak muscles, slow motor development, delay in speaking, testicles do not descend into the scrotum. In case of young, the symptoms are taller and less muscular body, weak muscles, long leg and arms, incomplete puberty, less facial and body hair, smaller testicle and penis, they are sterile with small poorly functional testicles, some have undescendant testis, or that is known as cryptorchidism, enlarged breast tissue known as gynecomastia, difficulty in expressing thoughts and feelings, and these are the functional symptoms in case of the patient. Let us discuss the treatment. There is no cure to Klinefelter syndrome. However, physical therapy, speech and language therapy, counseling and adjustment of teaching method may be found useful. Klinefelter syndrome is not an inherited condition. This much all about the Klinefelter syndrome. Thank you.